and welcome to today's video where we are making Nani's house from Lilo and Stitch.
Yes, and this build will be a bit different from what we've done before, because in our previous videos we've mainly used clay as our building material, but this time we are going to try to build with some wooden popsicle sticks, some glue, a bit of plastic and some fabric.
And with that said, let's get right into it!
Alright, so now the walls are done and also the wooden structure that we are going to have on the outside of the walls. It took some time, but I think that it will definitely be worth the effort. And now I am just gonna glue everything together.
With the wall planks glued in place, it was time to start on the terrace. Emelie measured and cut all the pieces we needed, making sure each one fit just right. Then we began gluing them down one by one. It takes time, but it's worth it to see it come together.
Alright, the terrace is partly done now. As you can see, the base plate is all glued together and glued to the house. But now I am going to pause the building process of the terrace because I want to continue with the roofing. And as you can see, the house is now gray on the inside, and the reason to that is we are not going to furniture this house and we don't want the white walls to shine through as much. So we thought, why not paint it gray? And in my opinion, it does look pretty good now. So yeah, let's continue with the roof. Alright, as you guys can see, I've added more stuff to the roof. I've added these parts and I've also completed this section here. I'm not really happy with the result because it was really difficult to make everything fit, but it will have to do for now, and maybe I will redo it when I'm coming further on this project. But yeah, otherwise I think this part looks really nice now, and Now I will be continuing with some details on the outside walls, and we'll see how that turns out.
For the curtains, I'm starting by cutting out some fabric pieces to get the shape I need. Then I go in with blue paint to add some color. After that, I place a few wooden sticks underneath the fabric and press it down between them. Once it's dry, it ends up with a much more realistic textured look.
We've come a long way on this build and it's really starting to take shape. Some parts like the stairs, railings and pillars were finished off camera, but the process was the same as with the rest of the wooden work. We're so happy with how the house is coming together. Now it's time for the final step, painting the whole exterior and gluing on all the windows.
Yay!
Overall, the house looks a lot like it does in the series and the movies. However, we chose not to make the ball that's in the back of the house.
Yeah, and some parts were a bit more challenging than others. The stairs and the railings were very difficult to keep straight while the glue dried.
Also, the windows were difficult to make because the glue that we used doesn't adhere to plastic. We found a way around it by using the trim to keep the plastic in place while gluing everything to the wall, but it was very fiddly to get right.
Yeah. And now, we want to thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to like and subscribe.
Now, before we let you go, we're gonna show you the final result.